If you've been looking into insurance in 2026, there's a very high chance you've heard about USA because, honestly, USAA is one of the most talked about insurance companies in the United States, especially among military members, veterans, and military families. But a lot of people still ask, is USAA insurance actually worth spending money on? So, in this video, I'll give you an honest USAA insurance review for 2026, including what makes it different, the pros and cons, and whether it's actually worth it. First, what is USAA? USAA is a financial and insurance company focused mainly on serving active military veterans and eligible family members. And honestly, this military focus is one of the biggest reasons the company became so popular, because many members feel the services are specifically designed around military life. Now, one very important thing, not everyone can join. Eligibility is generally limited to military members, veterans, and certain family members. So honestly, before anything else, you first need to check if you qualify. Now, let's talk about why many people like USAA. One of the biggest positives people mention is customer satisfaction. USAA consistently scores highly in many insurance reviews and customer satisfaction rankings. Many users especially like claims handling support and competitive pricing. Now, another huge advantage: bundled services, because USAA offers more than just insurance. They also provide banking, credit cards, loans, and financial services. And honestly, many members like having everything connected in one ecosystem. Now, let's talk about pricing, because honestly, this is one of the biggest reasons people choose USAA. Some reviews mention that rates can be very competitive for eligible members, especially for military families, safe drivers, and bundled policies, but honestly, pricing still varies a lot depending on age, location, driving history, and coverage level. Now let's talk about the downsides, because no insurance company is perfect. One complaint some users mention recently is rising premiums and slower customer service experiences compared to older years. Some Reddit users also complained about claim delays, communication issues, and policy pricing increases. But honestly, complaints like this happen with many large insurance companies, especially in 2026, where insurance prices overall have increased. Now, another thing worth mentioning, USAA is often strongest for people who fully fit their ecosystem. For example, military families, long-term members, and people bundling multiple products may get more value than someone only looking for basic insurance. Now let's talk about mobile experience, because honestly, digital tools matter a lot. Now USAA offers mobile apps, online claims, account management, and digital support systems, and honestly, many users appreciate being able to manage policies directly from their phone. Now, another important thing, you should always compare quotes, because honestly, the best insurance company depends on your budget, coverage needs, and personal situation. What's amazing for one person may be expensive for someone else. Now, let's be honest for a second. USAA still has a very strong reputation overall in 2026, especially inside the military community. But honestly, some longtime customers feel the experience is not as exceptional as it used to be years ago. So, is USAA insurance worth spending money on? Honestly, for many eligible military members and families, yes, especially because of strong reputation, competitive coverage, and military-focused services. But like any insurance company, it's smart to compare quotes, read policy details, and evaluate customer service for your own needs. Because honestly, the best insurance is the one that gives you the right balance of coverage, price, and support.